Good morning, students. Welcome back to my Science Online class. Today, we will start a new chapter from your science book, which is the chapter 7. So, all of you, open your books, page number 60. See, the chapter name is Safety and First Aid. Introduction: Accidents and their causes. Accidents and why they cause. Safety, first aid. See, safety at home, at school, on road, and from fire. We have to maintain some safety measures also at home, at school, on road, and also from fire. See, at home, which type of safety we have to use? In kitchen, in bathroom, at other places also. On road, while crossing, while riding a bicycle, while boarding or unboarding a vehicle. See, accidents and their causes. Why accident causes? Accidents may happen anytime, anywhere, without giving any warning. Accidents happen anytime, anywhere, without giving any warning. Okay? Most of the accidents occur due to our carelessness, like when we carelessly cut out fingers instead of the vegetables with the chopper, cross the road without looking left or right, drive rash, lean too far out of the window of a moving vehicle, and so on. So, why accidents are causes? Why accidents are caused? Because of our carelessness. Carelessness, like we carelessly cut out fingers instead of cutting vegetables. While we cut some vegetables with for our carelessness, sometimes we cut our fingers also with the chopper, with the knife. Cross the road without looking left or right. If we don't look left or right while crossing a road, then accidents may happen. Drive rash, lean too far out of the window of a moving vehicle, and so on. Do not lean out of the window. खिड़की के बाहर मत झाँको. Okay? So, safety is as important for life as eating healthy and keeping fit. So, safety is as important for life as eating healthy food and keeping fit. We can keep ourselves safe and avoid accidents by being careful and following some simple rules. So, we can keep ourselves safe and avoid accidents by being careful and following some simple rules. We have to follow some simple rules to keep ourselves safe and avoid accidents. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Remember this line: prevention is better than cure. So, it is easy to prevent some disease, some illness, by follow some safety rules, by keep ourselves safe. Okay? Now see, safety at home. Many accidents can take place for various reasons at home if we are careless. So, if we are careless, many accidents may happen. By being careful about a few small things, we can avoid all types of accidents at home. So, being careful, we can avoid all types of accidents at home. We should always be observant and alert about anything wrong. A slight smell of leaking gas or something burning, and even a little water spilled on the floor can cause accidents. So, we know a slight smell of leaking gas or something burning and even a little water spilled on the floor can cause accidents. Here are some simple rules to be followed. Some simple rules are given which are to be followed. In the kitchen, what types of care we should take to avoid accidents at home. See, in the kitchen, do not go near the gas stove wearing synthetic clothes. If you are wearing synthetic clothes, don't go near the gas stove, okay? They might catch fire. They catch the fire very easily. Do not play with matchboxes, knives, scissors and other sharp objects. Do not play with matchboxes, knives, scissors and other sharp objects. These are not your sports kit, okay? So don't touch this. Do not climb on a chair or window pane to reach something. Do not climb on a chair or window pane to reach something. It may cause accident. Check whether the oven, toaster and other cooking appliances are turned off before you leave the kitchen. Check whether oven, toaster and other cooking appliances are turned off before you leave the kitchen. Keep electrical appliances away from water to avoid shocks. So electrical appliances should be taken away from water to avoid shocks. Do not touch electrical sockets with wet hand. If your hands are wet, do not touch the electrical sockets with that wet hands, okay? While cooking, avoid spilling water on the floor or wipe up spilled water immediately so that no one slips on it. So while you are cooking, avoid spilling water on the floor. And if by mistake water falls on the floor, then wipe up immediately because it may happen accidents. Turn off the gas stove when not in use. If you are not using the gas, then turn off that. Check the gas pipes regularly to avoid leakage. We should check the gas pipe regularly to avoid leakage. In the bathroom, do not leave the bar of soap on the floor. Do not leave the bar of soap on the floor. You may slip on it and get hurt. The soap are very slippery, so do not leave the bar of soap on the floor. You may slip on it and get hurt. Keep it in the soap case. So we have to use soap case to keep that. Do not spill detergent or shampoo on the floor. Do not spill detergent or shampoo because it may cause the floor slippery. The floor will get slippery and you may fall down. Do not touch and play with sharp objects like blade, razor, etc. Don't touch blade, razor. Do not play with these sharp objects. You may cut your fingers or hand. So by mistake, if you touch and play with that sharp objects, it may cause or it may cut your fingers or hand. Do not open the hot water tap yourself. Do not open the hot water tap yourself. It may burn your hand or any parts of your body. After using the bathroom, clean it and wipe the floor. Shampoo or soap spilled on the floor, you may slip on it and get hurt. Okay, so clean the floor and wipe the floor after using the bathroom. So students, it's your today's class. Hope you all understand this. In our next class, we will discuss the rest topics. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day ahead.